My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Ford Tourneo. This vehicle has done just under 68,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that this has 9 seats. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have navigation and Bluetooth. If I put it into reverse, you can see that the Tourneo comes with a reversing camera with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.